Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GSAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price had a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low points, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a nice little bounce today. But that does lead to the valid question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering the question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And this area is down here at the 94-cent mark. Why is 94 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power. So a bounce that's truly a bounce is going to keep on bouncing. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a bounce is a truly strong bounce, it's not going to go back to where it was because that would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 94. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it just broke out from. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, and then pretty much does what it already did a couple times where it found some support right there. So bounces around a little bit before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining quote-unquote progress as 94 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. It's all about that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see this level back here was very stubborn and acted as resistance and knocked the price back down, but one step at a time. And the first step, in my opinion at least, is just maintaining this higher base, staying up above 94 cents so the price can build upon this momentum. So we'll see if the bulls can get the job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.